In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The head of Afghan Red Crescent meets with Richard Lindsay, the United Kingdom's special representative for Afghanistan. The Minister of Water and Energy visits flood-affected areas along Amur River during his trip to Balkh province. An Israeli regime warns residents to evacuate several towns in southern Lebanon despite the ceasefire. Welcome to our news package. It's Saturday, the 15th of Zulqa'dat al-Haram, 1447, the 12th of Sur, 1405, and the 2nd of May, 2026. The news detail. Sheikh Shahabuddin Dalawar, the head of Afghan Red Crescent Society, has met with Richard Lindsay, the United Kingdom's special representative for Afghanistan. Based on the Afghan Red Crescent Society, both sides discussed support for internally displaced families and returning migrants from neighboring countries, as well as the expansion of humanitarian assistance. The head of the Afghan Red Crescent expressed appreciation for the humanitarian aid provided by the United Kingdom and presented information regarding the organization's ongoing humanitarian activities. He further stated that the Afghan Red Crescent currently operates actively mental health care and treatment centers across 7 zones of the country, where around 1,500 male and female patients are received treatment, while nearly another 1,000 individuals are being provided medical services in their homes. Mullah Muhammad Yunus Akhundzadeh, the Minister of Water and Energy, during his visit to Balkh province, inspected the areas damaged by Amur River in Shurtepe district as well as Hayratan township. During the visit, Maulavi Akhundzadeh stated that the reinforcement and stabilization of Amur River remains among top priorities for the Minister of Water and Energy, adding that comprehensive and long-term plans have been prepared to prevent further destruction and will be implemented in the near future. It's worth mentioning that Maulavi Rahman Omar Akhundzadeh, the Deputy Minister of Water, Mullah Nur al-Hadi Abu Idris, along with several other local officials of the Islamic Emirate, accompanied the minister during the trip. The news continuation. The Minister of Urban Development and Housing has announced that over the past 3 days, 1,237 residential land plots have been distributed to returnees in Nangarhar province in the presence of Maulavi Najibullah Hayat Haqqani, the minister. The minister further emphasized that the Islamic Emirate remains committed to providing shelter, basic services, and suitable living conditions for returning migrants. In accordance with the ministry, a total of 2,605 residential land plots have so far been distributed to returnees in Nangarhar province. And ultimately, despite the ceasefire, the Israeli military has warned the residents of several towns and villages in southern Lebanon to evacuate the areas. According to a report by Al Jazeera quoting the Israeli military, the target areas include Qayatul Jasar, Itchit Shuqayf, Jetchit, Aba, Juz, Kafar, Jaruf, Ad-Duwair, Deir al-Zahani, and Habush. The warning comes as at least 16 people were killed in yesterday's Israeli attacks on southern Lebanon. That's the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.